Noise suppression can cancel out disruptive background noise, so you can clearly hear and communicate with each other. Now let's have a quick test to see what's the difference. Here is the lab. The testing machine is roaring. First, we turn off the noise suppression, then press and hold PTT key to speak on the microphone.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
The audio is like this.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Obviously, the background noise is overwhelming. Let's try it again with noise suppression turned on.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
As you can hear, noise is effectively reduced. Let's try it out. On the home screen, press OK. Then press middle key to scroll down, select Advanced. Press middle key to scroll down, find Noise Suppression. Then press OK to turn on noise suppression. Press back key twice to return to home screen. That's how to use noise suppression